Renault EZ-GO. Meet the Renault EZ-GO, a groundbreaking concept in shared urban mobility. This innovative vehicle is designed to transform how we commute in cities. The Renault EZ-GO is an electric, autonomous robo-vehicle that fits perfectly into smart city environments. It's more than just a car, it's a sustainable, multifunctional transport solution that can meet the needs of modern urban living. One of the standout features of the EZ-GO is its futuristic design, which focuses on accessibility. The vehicle comes with a front door and a ramp, making it incredibly easy for everyone to enter, even those with reduced mobility. This inclusive design means that up to 6 passengers can enjoy a comfortable and safe ride. Inside, the Renault EZ-GO feels more like a cocoon than a traditional vehicle. The spacious interior provides a calm and safe environment, perfect for short trips around the city. But that's not all. The vehicle is packed with advanced technology. Augmented reality features and Wi-Fi connectivity help passengers stay connected to city services and enhance their experience on the move. It's a smart vehicle for a smart city. In a world that's rapidly moving towards sustainability, the Renault EZ-GO stands out. It redefines urban travel by making it more eco-friendly, connected, and user-friendly. The future of commuting is here with the Renault EZ-GO. Alumicraft Sportsman 2. The Alumicraft Sportsman 2 is a rugged off-road buggy built for those seeking high-performance adventures. This 2-seat, long travel buggy comes with a rear engine configuration, designed to conquer even the most demanding terrains. One of its standout features is the variety of power plant options available, supporting up to an incredible 1,500 horsepower. With its impressive suspension travel, the Sportsman 2 delivers a smooth ride, even over the roughest off-road conditions. It's perfect for dune chasing or cruising through desert landscapes. For enthusiasts looking for recreational off-roading rather than racing, the Sportsman 2 offers the freedom to explore the outdoors with top-tier performance. Whether you're tackling the glamorous dunes or cruising along desert trails, the Alumicraft Sportsman 2 is engineered to provide an exhilarating and unforgettable ride. Bluebird K7. The Bluebird K7 is a groundbreaking jet-powered hydroplane that changed the world of speed on water. Designed and piloted by Donald Campbell, this remarkable vessel set 7 world water speed records between 1955 and 1967. Launched in January 1955, the Bluebird K7 took speed to new heights, pushing the record from 178 miles per hour all the way to an astonishing 276 miles per hour. The secret to the K7's success was its innovative design. It featured a load-bearing steel space frame, which gave it exceptional rigidity and stability. Combined with jet propulsion, this design allowed the K7 to reach a top speed of 250 miles per hour, making it the fastest boat of its time. However, the story of the Bluebird K7 also carries a note of tragedy. On January 4, 1967, Donald Campbell tragically lost his life while attempting to break the 300 miles per hour barrier. Despite this tragic end, the Bluebird K7 left a lasting legacy. It remained the only successful jet-powered boat until the late 1960s and is forever etched in the history of speed records. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is a cutting-edge electric motorcycle that redefines performance and technology. Manufactured by the innovative company Verge Motorcycles, the TS Pro comes packed with features designed to enhance your riding experience. One of its standout features is the unique hubless rear wheel. This innovative design integrates the motor directly into the wheel, giving the motorcycle a striking look while also improving its efficiency and performance. Powered by a high-capacity battery, the TS Pro offers an impressive range of up to 300 kilometers, or 186 miles, on a single charge. This makes it suitable for both urban commuting and longer journeys. When it comes to performance, the TS Pro does not disappoint. It delivers an astonishing 1,200 Nm of torque, allowing for rapid acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour, or 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just a few seconds. The Verge TS Pro is truly a remarkable electric motorcycle, combining futuristic design with powerful performance for the ultimate ride. The Spirit of Nemo. The Spirit of Nemo is a luxury submarine designed for exclusive underwater exploration. Inspired by Jules Verne's famous character, Captain Nemo, from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, this vessel blends advanced technology with a touch of opulence. Its sleek, hydrodynamic exterior is built from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring efficient movement beneath the water. Equipped with cutting-edge navigation systems like sonar and GPS, it offers precise and safe maneuvering across different underwater terrains. Inside, the Spirit of Nemo provides a lavish experience. High-end furnishings, panoramic windows, and state-of-the-art amenities make the interior both comfortable and immersive. Passengers can enjoy unparalleled views of marine life and underwater landscapes, thanks to the submarine's ability to dive up to 500 meters deep. With room for up to 8 passengers, the Spirit of Nemo offers a unique journey into the deep, combining luxury with exploration. Bugatti Baby 2 Minicar. The Bugatti Baby 2 Minicar is a modern tribute to the classic Bugatti Baby, which was produced by Ettore Bugatti in 1926. This minicar continues to inspire car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Launched in 2020, the Baby 2 celebrates Bugatti's 110th anniversary. It is a collaboration between Bugatti and the Little Car Company. Designed for both children and adults, this scaled-down electric replica offers a unique driving experience. The Bugatti Baby 2 features a rear-wheel drive electric powertrain. It includes selectable driving modes, such as a 1 kilowatt child mode for younger drivers and a 4 kilowatts adult mode for more experienced ones. For those seeking an extra thrill, the Vitesse and Perong versions offer a special 10 kilowatts speed key mode, enabling speeds of up to 42 miles per hour. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Baby 2 showcases a scaled-down version of the iconic Bugatti Type 35 body. Authentic features, like the signature front grille and spoked wheels, enhance its classic charm. Inside, the car boasts leather upholstery, a polished aluminum dashboard, and custom Bugatti instruments, creating a luxurious environment. The Bugatti Baby 2 Minicar is not just a vehicle, it's a blend of history, craftsmanship, and innovation, making it a delightful addition to any collection. City Transformer CT1. The City Transformer CT1 is an innovative electric vehicle developed by an Israeli company founded in 2014. The visionaries behind this project are Asaf Formosa and Udi Meridor. In 2013, Formosa, Gidi Goldwine, and Aries Abramov designed a foldable car chassis. This breakthrough allowed them to create a unique two-seater urban electric micro-vehicle that can change its width while driving. It transforms from 1.4 meters wide to just 1 meter wide. The wider mode is perfect for open roads, where the vehicle can reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. In contrast, the narrow mode is designed for navigating heavy urban traffic and fitting into tight parking spaces. In 2014, the company officially launched, and automotive designer Eyal Kramer joined the team along with Johan Tomford. In late 2017, the car concept was unveiled at the Smart Mobility Summit in Tel Aviv. The City Transformer CT1 offers a smart solution for urban mobility, adapting to the needs of city driving while promoting sustainability. IEVX. The IEVX is an intelligent electric vehicle that is revolutionizing urban mobility. With its futuristic robotic body platform, this vehicle can adjust its size to meet your needs. It can accommodate 1 or 2 passengers, yet it's only 78 centimeters wide, about 6 to 7 times smaller than a standard car. This ultra-compact design allows the IEVX to easily navigate through congested urban streets and take up far less parking space than a regular car. Built with a strong carbon steel chassis and an aluminum body, safety is a top priority. It includes standard seat belts and large doors, ensuring easy access for passengers. Controlling the vehicle is easy too. You can operate it through a mobile app or the intuitive dashboard, making it extremely user-friendly. One of its unique features is the power side mirror that closes completely when not in use, enhancing the car's aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the spacious interior even provides roof access while in drive mode. The IEVX offers versatility, safety, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for modern commuting. Snow E. The Snow E is an innovative electric snow vehicle designed for adventure enthusiasts who love to explore snow-covered terrains. Powered by electric motors, it offers a cleaner, more eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered snowmobiles, significantly reducing emissions and noise pollution. Key features of the Snow E include its lightweight design, optimized for agility on snow. It also boasts a robust battery system that provides an extended range for long winter adventures. The vehicle's electric drivetrain delivers instant torque, allowing for smooth acceleration, even in deep snow conditions. Additionally, the Snow E is equipped with an advanced suspension system, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride, even on rough snowy terrains. This makes it perfect for those who seek thrilling yet sustainable winter adventures. Venom 1.8 Plus Off-Road. The Venom 1.8 Plus off-road vehicle is built for adventure enthusiasts who crave rugged terrains. Powered by a 110cc single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, this machine can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, giving you plenty of power for your off-road journeys. It features an automatic transmission with a reverse gear, ensuring smooth handling in various conditions. The steel frame, along with upgraded shocks, makes the vehicle durable and resilient on bumpy paths, while the front and rear disc brakes provide enhanced control for safer rides. With a weight capacity of 330 pounds and safety features like a 4-point harness, the Venom 1.8 Plus Off-Road is designed to give you both fun and security on your outdoor adventures. Built by Venom Motorsports USA, this off-road vehicle is a solid choice for anyone looking to explore the great outdoors with confidence.